It's bad enough I have to listen to this hillbilly ramble on.
Uh-oh.
But when she talks about having the best splash and wow, I take it as a personal insult. You will learn what the laws of the jungle are. Kill or be killed.
Oh, I'm scared.
You should
Just
be.
wait for the match.
You should be.
Jungle Girl, you had no reason to come out here, and there isn't a match, so please excuse yourself.
Who are they calling for?
Well, I'd love to see it. We got fans here cheering for Becky. We got fans here cheering for Jungle Girl. And the fact of the matter is, fans, both of these superb athletes have a finishing
Fans,
move,
we're
the
going to
splash, that is
find out who has
spectacular.
the best splash, and wow, maybe one day, Becky the Farmer's Daughter or Jungle Girl.
I think fans all around the world would love to see that, David.